Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick rope braid updo. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and I'm just going to section out a few pieces of hair to frame the face on both sides. Now, starting on the left hand side, we're going to take a chunk of hair from the ear forwards and we're going to split this section into a top and bottom section. And all we're going to do is wrap the bottom section around the top section, and then we're going to take a small slice of hair from the crown and add it to that bottom section. So wrap that bottom section over the top section, take a slice of hair from the top of the head and add it to that bottom section. And then just carry on twisting the hair this way until you get to the opposite side. Remember to keep this twist straight across the back of the head. Once you've reached the other side, just carry on wrapping the hair around each other to form a small twist, and then just tie it off with a clear elastic band. On the last loop of the elastic band, don't pull the tail ends all the way through, just pull them part way through so you create a little loop. And then just pin this up and out of the way until later. So working on that bottom section, we're going to take another small slice of hair and divide it into a top and bottom section. And this time we're going to wrap the bottom section over the top section, but we're going to take hair from the neckline, so from the bottom. So we're going to add that to that bottom section and wrap it around the top. So take a small slice of hair from the hairline, add it to the bottom section, and then wrap that around the top section. And again, just carry on wrapping the hair until you reach the opposite side of the head. Once you've run out of hair, just keep twisting the hair as you did before and tie it off in a clear elastic band in the same way. Now we're just going to pop a bobby pin on that bottom section on the right hand side and also along the length of that twist to keep it secure. And we're going to release the tail ends from that top twist and do the same. So we're just going to pop a bobby pin on that right hand side and a couple along the length of the twist to keep it to the head. Now we're going to take the tail ends from that top twist and we're going to bring it over to the opposite side, and we're going to wrap the ends underneath, and we're just going to find a small hole and tuck it inside to help hide them, and then just secure with a bobby pin. And again, pop some pins along the length of that twist. And then we're going to grab the tail ends from that bottom twist and do exactly the same. So bring it over to the left hand side and just roll those ends under so you can't see them. And then just pin them to the bottom of the head with a few bobby pins. Next, add some texture spray all over the hair. And we're just going to gently pinch and pull at the crown just for a bit of texture. And then we're just going to spend a few minutes pinching and pulling at every single loop and twist of this hairstyle so it's more voluminous. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.